Okay, my name is Olympio, and today I will take a look on all markets, guys. I will take a look on all markets, trying to identify new potential setups, only because, yeah, unfortunately, nothing really important for me today. I've had a pending order USD CAD, but unfortunately, I've had to delete it. I will talk about that market as well. I will take a look on all markets on the US dollar, Japanese yen pairs, US equities, gold, silver, US oil, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So, yeah, if you have questions also, guys, please, I'm waiting for your messages. Here's the disclaimer, don't forget to read it. It's important to understand the risks, guys. So, yeah, in 28 minutes we'll have the Canadian retail sales and core retail sales data. The economic data should bring some volatility, some action into the short term. And yeah, also later, guys, later the US economic data will have a big impact, will bring more volatility and maybe yeah, potential setup. So DXY, yeah, it has failed maybe to jump higher. It remains to see if the US data will come in better than expected. Maybe the DXY could still jump higher, but right now the price action yeah, signaled an exhausted situation here on overbought, yeah, on the DXY. Even if let's take a look, even if the economic data came in better than expected in the last days, yeah, yesterday, guys, housing starts, building permits, unemployment claims came in better than expected. On Wednesday, retail sales, core retail sales, industrial production came in better than expected. Okay, but unfortunately, the DXY, yeah, maybe after this impressive upwards movement, yeah, it's overbought in the short term. That's why, if you remember, personally, I decided to manage my position, to close my position here, USD CAD, right, for a really good profit here on these levels, 132 pips profit, and yeah, one moment. Don't forget, guys, to like the video, and I'm waiting also for your messages, right? If you want me to take a look on a specific market, or yeah, or I don't know, if you want my opinion about something. Yeah, today I've talked about USD CAD, and I've said that only if it stays above 1.3480, it could develop an upwards movement. It has this support was taken out, so yeah, it could drop deeper in the short term, but it remains to see, guys, because I told you, the Canadian retail sales data, also the US economic data could bring us, or could change the sentiment, okay, here. And yeah, only better than expected Canadian data, poor US economic data could force the price to extend itself off here. Right now, maybe after this breakdown here, maybe we could have a rebound. Right now, no, I don't want to place a trade before the economic data, because maybe in the short term, yeah, the sentiment could change. Okay, so DXY, unfortunately, the US dollar is yeah, is bearish in the short term. So let's start with Euro USD. Let's see if we'll find something. I will take a look on all markets. Yeah, as I've said, I will take a look on all markets. Yeah, still under this downtrend line, uptrend line here, breakout. Maybe I will have something on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, because I've talked about that market yesterday. No, I don't want to do anything here right now. Euro USD before the economic data. Maybe only after the US economic data. If the US data will come in worse than expected, guys, then probably we'll have a potential rally in the short term here. Euro USD. Now I don't have a really good setup here. Let's take a look. British pound, US dollar. No, nothing really good for me these days. Yeah, after closing that USD CAD for a really good profit, 0.90 percent, almost 1% in my real account. Don't forget that I'm placing all the trades in a real account. Yeah, as I said, almost 1% on USD CAD, and right now nothing really good for me. But maybe, yeah, it seems that the US dollar could lose more ground versus its rivals. Maybe. Yeah, it remains to see. Yeah, the preliminary investor Michigan consumer sentiment and also existing home sales. Yeah, the indicators are expected to come in. Yeah, better compared to the previous reporting period, but yeah, it remains to see. Yeah, USD Japanese yen, a rebound on the yen basket in the short term. I've talked about yen basket today, and yeah, maybe this was a temporary rebound, bounce back, yeah, after this impressive sell-off. But I've told you guys that yeah, maybe it could still approach and reach this demand zone, okay, before really developing an upwards movement. That's why I don't know if I will have something on the Japanese yen pairs, but I hope that the Canadian and the US data could bring us something today. So nothing really good. USD Japanese yen, USD CAD. I've talked USD CAD, USD Swiss franc. Yeah, it's also Friday, guys, today, but maybe I will have something. Okay, it's also Friday, and USD Swiss franc. Yeah. An impressive upwards movement, Brother, tell about gold. I will take a look on gold after I will finish with the US dollar, guys. Yeah, so please be patient. Yeah, I will take a look on all markets, on gold, silver, US oil, US equities, cryptocurrencies, Japanese yen. Yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you guys. USD Swiss franc. But maybe here, yeah, breakdown, retest, and then something. Right now the bias is still bullish, but if the dollar index prints a sell-off, yeah, USD Swiss franc should drop as well. But right now, no, it's still bullish. But I don't want to go long here. Yeah, no. Yeah, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, because I talked about this market yesterday. Please take a look. Yeah, breakout from this from the descending pitchfork. Okay, retests, but we still need yeah, maybe poor US economic data later today. But only this scenario could maybe bring us a new leg higher, swing higher. Right now, don't have something really good, yeah, or yeah, maybe something like this, but yeah, where should I put my stop loss? Yeah. Taking out the immediate highs could activate a larger rebound, and yeah, yesterday I've talked about this market. I've talked about potential longs. Okay, if the DXY drops, and yeah, in the short term maybe this could represent a bullish pattern, accumulation consolidation before jumping higher. Okay. Yeah, but right now it's still premature. Yeah, before the economic data, because the price could only could print a new false breakout, and then yeah, it could turn to the downside. But I will keep an eye on New Zealand or US dollar, as the price action, yeah, signaled exhausted sellers here. The sell-off was stopped by this major demand zone. Okay, let's invite more members. Join my live webinar. Okay, Australian dollar, US dollar, and then I will take a look on gold, on silver, US oil. Yeah, we already had. Yeah, maybe here. Yesterday I've talked about this market. Yeah, maybe here we've missed something after this pin bar here. Yeah, but maybe we'll still we'll have something on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, because here US dollar, Singapore dollar, nothing really good for me right now. Only temporary rebounds could bring us something. No, I don't have USD and Mexican peso. No. Maybe only if it comes back here. Maybe I'll look for I will look for longs. Sorry, guys. Yeah. South African rand. I'll take a look on gold, guys. No, nothing really good for me. The DXY. Yeah, as I've said. The DXY. It remains to see if this represents a triangle, yeah, as an upside continuation pattern, yeah. But we need yeah, positive U.S. economic data, yeah. Okay, gold. Yeah, gold rallied and. Gold rallied past the DXY. The US dollar depreciated versus rivals. Yeah. Breakout above this inside sliding line, above the S1 here. Maybe here we've had something. Yeah. But right now it's too late. I don't want to go long here because it could retreat. No. This is my opinion about gold. I don't have something really good, because if I would have, had something like a high probability setup, I would have sent it into the VIP group. Right now, yeah, I'll wait for the economic data, because no. I don't want to buy at market. Where should I put my stop loss? No. And yeah, maybe I will put it here, but I cannot afford maybe to place such a trade with a larger stop loss on gold or on silver, because personally I'm using around 0.50 0.50% risk of the trading account. Yeah, and yeah, probably with the upcoming period, maybe I will use again 1% risk for my trades. Yeah, for high probability setups and trades. Yeah. Silver. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are, yeah. You will get a notification every time I will, upload something, or I will post new videos. Yeah. No. Nothing really good for me on silver. No. But yeah, in 13 minutes we'll have the Canadian economic data. Let's hope that the economic data will bring us something. US oil, let's take a look, because most likely, guys, the Canadian retail sales data and the US data will have an impact, a strong impact. Let's take a look here. Yeah, crude oil. I've talked about the crude oil in a daily video analysis. Hi, can you look at British pound Japanese yen? 5 minutes. Yeah, I will take a look on the Japanese yen pairs. Yeah, thank you for a message. I will take a look in 2 minutes. So US oil. I've talked about potential new longs after testing, retesting maybe the broken downtrend line. Yeah, I've said that as long as it stays above 70.97, 70.10, it could still it could jump higher. Yesterday, guys, crude oil inventories, deep in the negative territory. Was reported, the indicator was reported in the negative territory, which is good. Yeah, which is good for the price of oil. Okay, but right now, an extended sideways movement here. I will do it also the uptrend line, maybe a new retreat, or taking out the medium line. Stabilization and accumulation could bring me potential longs on these markets. Okay, on US oil, and also US oil tended to the upside, rallied, jumped higher as and because the US dollar depreciated a little in the short term. Let's take a look on the Japanese yen, and then we'll continue with the US equities, with cryptocurrencies. Japanese yen basket, guys. It has rebounded, and this bounce back forced the Japanese yen to appreciate versus rival. So let's take a look. 15 minutes first of all. A strong sell-off here on what? Shit. I've deleted my smart money concept indicator. One moment, present. Okay. Okay. So about the British pound Japanese yen. Okay, personally I've talked about this market also yesterday when I've said that when the price was here, okay, below the R2, I've said that I'm still hunting for potential shorts. Staying near the medium line, and only because the yen basket and the Japanese yen futures extended the sell-off. We had an upside continuation here, breakout above the medium line. After such an impressive rally and growth, maybe a retreat correction was natural as well. Please take a look here. The price also reached that former high, historical high, yeah, 188.66. So sell-off was natural. So on 15 minutes, guys, only because yeah, personally, earlier today, when the price reached here the immediate demand zone, maybe I wanted to catch something like a rebound, but for now, yeah, it has failed to take out the immediate high. So the downside pressure remains in the short term, remains high in the short term. But if it stays above this former low here, maybe retest could bring us something. Okay, if it stays, but yeah, we need maybe a new retest, or we need a new higher high, then a retest, and then boom. Okay, so it remains to see, guys. If the yen basket develops a larger rebound, then British pound Japanese yen should take out also this former low and should extend its sell-off. But also here, sideways movement, demand zone here, a new demand zone, and yeah, as long as it stays above it, it could come back, yeah, towards the medium line, maybe towards that former high. Yeah, it remains to see. So 15 minutes, this is my opinion, guys. For 5 minutes, yeah. And I don't know, are you interested in potential bullish movement here? Yeah. That's why you asked it. That's why you asked me here about this market. But right now, supply zone. Maybe if it will come back down to test to retest, then if we'll have something. Right now, no. Euro Japanese yen. Same here. It has reached the immediate demand zone. A rebound. Yeah. It's the same. Like the British pound. The Japanese yen. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, we already. Shit. Yeah, we already. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen rallies after retesting. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Unfortunately, I don't have a setup or high probability to trade or yeah, on the 15 minute or 5 minutes in the short term British pound Japanese yen, but I will keep an eye and yeah. Yeah, maybe here we've had something, unfortunately. Oh. Maybe here. After this retest. But right now it's too late. It's too late. Yeah, unfortunately you cannot catch every move, yeah, short term or, yeah. Because it's really hard to stay all day in front of the computer to catch everything. But yeah, I will continue to monitor all the markets, yeah, all markets, and yeah, I really hope that I will have something really good also today. Less than 5 minutes, guys. Let's refresh the economic calendar before the Canadian economic data. 4 minutes. US 100 upside continuation. Upside continuation. No, I don't want to do anything here. Right now, only temporary retreats could bring us maybe new longs. Yeah, right now we don't have yeah, a bearish opportunity. We'll have maybe only long opportunities after temporary retreats or accumulation consolidations. US 30. US 30. Same here. Strong upwards movement. Actually, Here maybe Bitcoin you have to react after reaching here the supply zone, the former highs. Okay, but right now, no, nothing really good for me. Nothing really good for me, guys. And that's why I don't want to place a trade if I don't have a high probability trade. US 500. No, nothing really good. Bitcoin. If you have questions, guys, please. Unfortunately, yeah, I've talked about Bitcoin and let's take a look. Monday, Tuesday. Friday, unless Friday, maybe I've talked about Bitcoin here. Yeah, unfortunately, guys, it has failed to stay here above the 50% retracement. So please take a look here. Yeah, it has registered a false breakout with great separation above the 61.8 retracement level, above the warning line of the ascending pitchfork. This was the warning line. Yeah, already had a warning line. Okay, that was my warning line. Above that that key level, upside obstacle, static resistance. So only false breakout with great separation. Yeah, and right now it has validated its breakdown below the upper medium line, so also below it has dropped also below the 50% retracement level. So right now, yeah, maybe it could come back down to take out yeah, maybe the liquidity also from here. It could retest my the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, and then it could yeah, turn to the upside again. Okay, maybe after such an impressive upwards movement, the retreat, the correction was natural, was expected. Okay, so it cannot continue to grow without temporary corrections. Yeah, because maybe there were traders here who wanted to, yeah, to take profits, yeah, to get out. Yeah, to wait for a correction, and then boom, they will look for new longs. Ethereum, yeah, also here I've talked about the upper medium line. Unfortunately, sorry, about the upper medium line here, only false breakouts. I've said that the bias is bullish as long as it stays above the medium line here. Unfortunately, it has failed to stay above it, breakdown, but yeah, it could still jump higher. Maybe this represents, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this could be a flag, a down channel, or yeah, potential falling wedge pattern. Yeah, if it stays above this downside line to retest the value breakout, boom. Yeah, Ethereum. If you are interested in cryptocurrencies, guys, if you are interested, because after such an impressive rally, of course, a retreat, a correction was normal, guys, was normal. Okay. Yeah. Also after this extended sideways movement, strong rally, retest before jumping higher. Okay, Ethereum. So personally, I'm looking for longs, and yeah, maybe I will share also my trades on Bitcoin or Ethereum. Because personally, I'm not managing the the crypto channels. Okay, but if I will have something really good, yeah, I will I will share my trades, and I will place my trades into the real account, guys, not demo like other traders on the internet or yeah. Okay, Ethereum. If you have questions, guys, it's Friday, nothing really good as I've said. Yeah, let's refresh the economic calendar. Whoa, worse than expected retail sales, core retail sales data. Yeah, it seems that it will have in the short term maybe a negative impact, also negative impact also on the US dollar. And let's take a look on US oil as well. US oil. US oil. Yeah, nothing for now. Yeah. Let's take a look on the Canadian dollar. USD CAD. Yeah, nothing for now. But guys, if the US economic data comes in better than expected later, then yeah, it could turn to the upside. Yeah, it could rebound. Yeah, it could rebound, but right now, yeah, it remains to see. Was an expected Canadian economic data, retail sales. Yeah, but as long as it stays, guys, inside of this descending pitchfork, yeah, it could still drop, but also maybe a rebound could be natural after poor economic data. But it remains to see, guys. Maybe the markets will only change a little, only until the price will I don't know, will print only before the economic data. USD CAD could change only a little, maybe before the economic data, the US economic data, and maybe, but most likely, the economic data should bring us sharp movements later. So the prelim US, the Michigan consumer sentiment, existing home sales, and if the economic data will come in better than expected, maybe the US dollar could take the lead again. Unfortunately, today it has dropped below that former low. It has invalidated the potential upwards movement, upside continuation. Let's wait. Right now, potential rally here could be natural because the USD CAD, but taking out the upper medium line could signal a larger rebound here, USD CAD, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. If you don't have questions, guys, maybe I will end this webinar. Ian basket again. Euro, British pound. I'm not trading on this market, but let's take a look. I will take a look on this market as well, because maybe I will find something here. No. We already had this rebound, so right now, no, I don't want to do anything here. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. That's retreat, sell off. Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. We have a sell-off, strong sell-off here. Fortunately, I have that demand zone. In the short term. Yeah, probably a breakdown, retest, and then, yeah. Canadian dollar, despite worse than expected data, EuroCAD, EuroCAD. No. British pound versus the Canadian dollar. Let's take a look. Personally, I would have liked if the price would have reached this zone, maybe here, before turning to the upside. British pound, Canadian dollar. British pound, Canadian dollar. Nothing really important for me today. No. As I've said, maybe I most likely will have only maybe low volatility before the US economic data, or it remains to see. 8 minutes after the, yeah, take a look here, USD. But yeah, the DXY needs a strong needs positive data from the US economy. The DXY needs strong support from the US economy before jumping higher, guys. Okay. Sorry about my phone. So British pound, Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen. Yeah, it's still there. British pound, Japanese yen. No. Yeah, so nothing really important for me right now. That's why maybe I will end this webinar here. If I will have something after the economic data, because yeah, in 1 hour and 20 minutes, yeah, 1 hour and 20 minutes we'll have the economic data. And right now we have this extended sideways movement, unfortunately in the short term. So yeah, nothing really good. And I don't want to do anything if I don't have high probability setups, high probability trades and setups. Yeah. No. So I will end this webinar here. I will come back later, maybe if I'll have something really good. Yeah. Yeah, after the economic data. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. Don't forget to like the video. Even if I didn't have anything really good today. Nothing really good today. Natural gas. Natural gas. After maybe reaching that demand zone, maybe I will look for something. US oil as well. Maybe I will try to catch a potential sell-off for the VIP group here. Yeah. But I will come back with my trade into the VIP group after I end this webinar, because it will be maybe only for the VIPs. Actually, yeah, it will be only for the VIPs, for the VIP members. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. Cheers. I will come back with a US oil trade maybe for the VIP group. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Cheers.